Meet Alex. On the surface, Alex navigates life with ease, but operating quietly in the background is a hidden system, a strict, unspoken set of rules dictating every action. Think of this as an internal line. It is a deeply ingrained habit built on a few simple commands. Always agree, avoid conflict, and keep everyone else comfortable. Alex follows these commands to control how other people see them. The logic seems safe. If you never appear difficult, you never cause trouble, and you guarantee peace. This dynamic plays out perfectly at work. Alex is highly competent and great at solving problems, making them a natural go-to person in the office. But a strategy meant to protect actually does the opposite. By constantly filtering their true needs, Alex builds an invisible wall. It keeps conflict out, but it also buries Alex's authentic self, making real human connection impossible. Enter Kai, a coworker who notices Alex's efficiency. Kai starts bringing urgent, last-minute requests to Alex's desk, tasks that actually belong to Kai. When asked for help on a presentation due the very next morning, Alex feels a familiar, physical tug. The always agree rule kicks in. Saying no feels like breaking a sacred promise to be helpful. So Alex stays late, and Kai learns that Alex will always say yes. The requests become bolder and pile up, steadily eating away at Alex's evenings and weekends. Underneath the accommodating smile, a quiet anger starts to build. Alex rationalizes the stress and canceled plans by claiming to be a good team player. Then comes a Friday evening. Kai drops another late-night demand. This one forces Alex to cancel a long-planned family dinner. Something snaps. The deep exhaustion of constantly betraying personal needs finally outweighs the fear of upsetting a coworker. The rule designed to help Alex is actively causing harm. To fix this, Alex has to dismantle that invisible wall and replace it with a clear, healthy limit. This limit protects core requirements for a healthy life: personal time, mental health, and job focus. This new boundary is a shield. Unlike the old habit of people-pleasing, it allows Alex to stand firm in their values, rather than being battered by external demands. The challenge is that Alex has spent years maintaining a massive safety buffer. They stay as far away as possible from anything that might be perceived as rude, even if it means sacrificing their own well-being. But politely stating a limit is not hostile behavior. Stating what you can and cannot do is a simple fact, not an act of aggression. Alex begins to see that the real difficulty isn't Kai's potential reaction. It's the intense internal pressure to stay silent and keep everyone else comfortable. The next morning, Alex walks up to Kai before any new crisis can be manufactured. Inside, Alex's internal alarms are blaring. The old habits are screaming that this will ruin their working relationship and brand Alex as entirely unhelpful. Alex speaks without apologizing. Kai, from now on, I can only help with tasks that are part of my job and only during normal work hours. For Alex, saying these words feels like a betrayal of their own nature. It is the choice to face the temporary discomfort of a conflict in order to prevent the permanent damage of staying quiet. Kai reacts with surprise and a flash of annoyance, immediately testing the new limit by bringing up tight deadlines and a desperate need for help. Alex stays firm. Facing that immediate social friction and accepting that Kai might be frustrated is the only way for Alex to take charge of their own time again. The unease doesn't vanish instantly. Over the next few days, Kai tries to test the boundary, sending urgent emails late at night just to see what happens. Alex replies firmly, "I will look at this during work hours tomorrow." The message is unyielding. With every no, the old reflexive guilt starts to lose its grip. It is being replaced by a quiet, steady sense of self-respect. Slowly, the dynamic shifts. Kai adapts to the new reality, starts asking for help earlier, and begins bringing fairer requests that actually respect Alex's time. The quiet anger that used to sit in Alex's chest fades away, replaced by a calm trust. Evenings open up and energy returns. By being willing to seem difficult, Alex finally took back their sense of self. True connection isn't built on endless accommodation. It's built on the respect that comes from standing firmly behind your own truth.